Question number 34 says A and B are 2 points in the interior of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, and PA is parallel to BR. These are also parallel, and AP equals to BR. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. When one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. We know that. But here he is asking, show that APR is congruent to BRP, and AR equals to BP, and RA is parallel to BP. Herein we can arrive at this, since these two are parallel with transversal RP, I have this angle equal to this angle, being alternate interior angles are equal. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle by the same rule, and this being common side for these two triangles, we have APR congruent BRP by included side and angle congruency criterion, and AR equals to BP is arrived by CPCT, and RA parallel BP, since these triangles are congruent, angle A equals angle B. When opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are also equal, which we have arrived at here, then obviously these two lines sides will be parallel. Hence RA parallel BP is also proved. And simply these two being alternate interior angles are equal, that also proves that these two are parallel with this as the transversal. Now 35th question says ABCD is a rectangle in which M is midpoint. If this is 10, this is 10, and AM produced to E meets DC at E, prove that this EC equals to AB. This needs to be proved. From this very simple question, we have that since this is midpoint, these two are equal, BM equals to CM. Apart from that, we have this being midpoint, this line is equal to this line, this line is equal to this line, AM equals to EM, and from that we have this angle is equal to this angle. We have vertical opposite angles are equal. Because M is midpoint, AM equals to EM. M is midpoint of AE has not been given, so we have to check for this, wherein we have this being rectangle, this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle B equals to angle C, and by angle included side and angle congruency, we have triangle ABM congruent triangle ECM, and from that we have EC equals to AB by CPCT.